Hi guys, so let's talk about how to blur an entire image or a part of image in Canva in a quick and easy way. So let's get started. So I'm on my Canva screen now and okay, so we have two cases here. In one we have a girl and a background, and in that case most people want the background to be blurred but not the girl. Okay, and in the second case you want to blur this whole background image, so let's do them both. Okay, so first of all, let's say you're designing something, you're writing something here, but you want the whole background to be blurred. So how you can do that, you can just click on the image and then click on edit, and there in the effects at the third number you will see blur option. Just click on that, and here again you have two options. Either you can select your brush and blur a specific area, or you can just click on the whole image and then you can blur the whole image like that. Okay, but of course in the second case you have a girl and a background, and if you do that with a brush it will take you a lot of time to figure out the background. So we want to do that quickly, so let's see how we can do that. Okay, so just select the image and go into edit, and here you will see a tool called magic grab. Okay, so just click on that, and what it does essentially is that it can basically grab any part of your image. So let's say we want to just grab this girl from the image so that it's separated from the background, and then we can blur the background. Okay, so just click on the grab and wait for it. Okay, now as you can see, the girl has been basically separated from the background, so I can move the girl as well. And if I select the background, I can move the background as well. Okay, so they both have been separated. Now we can easily blur our background like I showed you earlier. So just click on the background, go into edit, and then just go into effects and blur, and from here just select the whole image and increase the intensity of blur as you like. Okay, so let's say I want to blur it up to this extent, like fully, and then I just go back, and boom, so it is done. And you can see it is done beautifully, like the girl has been separated from the background, very cleanly. So it's a great tool, it's a great magical tool that you can use, and I hope it helped. If it did, please hit that subscribe and like button, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you.